Tractor.
Got snowplow, everything until it starts. After I grab the keys, okay. You gotta get everything out of the way, you know, so I'm gonna try to drive it. I mean, there's no belt, but, you know, maybe we'll spin. Why you don't start? Shut up, make a video here. Never mind, it was a fail.